Lee is making $35,000 per month while Esha is generating $30,000 by selling stickers online, which is the laziest and easiest way to make money online. Watch this video till online to learn how you can make this massive money. Welcome back to our 30-day series on making money online with AI. Today, we're going to show you how to create and sell stickers from images using AI tools. This method is straightforward, fun, and can be highly profitable. Let's dive into the detailed steps and get you started on this creative journey. First, let's start with selecting the right AI tools for generating your sticker designs. A popular tool for this purpose is DALL-E, an AI developed by OpenAI that generates images from text descriptions. Another excellent option is Midjourney, which can create unique and eye-catching designs. Both of these tools can help you turn simple ideas into vibrant, sticker-ready images. Begin by brainstorming ideas for your stickers. Think about trends, popular culture, and niches that might attract buyers. Once you have some concepts in mind, use DALL-E or Midjourney to generate your images. For example, you can input descriptions like cute cat in a spacesuit, vintage floral patterns, or funny coffee quotes. Once you have your designs, the next step is to refine and prepare them for printing. You'll need image editing software like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, or Canva. Import your AI-generated images into the software and make any necessary adjustments. This might include cleaning up the edges, enhancing colors, or adding text. Ensure that your images are high resolution, at least 300 dpi, which is crucial for quality printing. Next, it's time to create the sticker sheets. Arrange your designs in a way that maximizes the use of space on a standard sticker sheet, typically 8.5 x 11 inches. Most editing software allows you to create custom layouts, so play around with the arrangement until you're satisfied. Make sure to leave a small margin around each design to allow for easy cutting. With your sticker sheets ready, you now need a print-on-demand service to handle production and shipping. Printify, Redbubble, and Sticker Mule are excellent choices for this. Start by creating an account on one of these platforms and setting up your store. Upload your sticker sheets to the chosen print-on-demand service. Follow the platform's guidelines to ensure your designs are correctly formatted and ready for printing. Most platforms will provide a mock-up generator to preview how your stickers will look once printed. After uploading your designs, set your prices. Research similar products to determine competitive pricing. Factor in the production costs and platform fees to ensure you're making a reasonable profit. Once you've set your prices, write compelling product descriptions. Highlight what makes your stickers unique and mention any features like waterproofing, durability, or special finishes.
To create promotional images for your stickers, use Flare.ai. This tool helps you generate professional quality product photos that can be used in your online store and marketing materials. Upload your sticker designs to Flare.ai and select the appropriate templates to create eye-catching promotional images. These images will be essential for attracting customers and showcasing your products. Now, let's focus on setting up your online store. If you're using Printify, you can integrate it with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. If you've chosen Redbubble or Sticker Mule, you can use their built-in store features. Customize your store's layout, add your logo, and create a visually appealing storefront that reflects your brand. Once your store is set up, it's time to drive traffic and attract customers. Start by leveraging social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Create accounts specifically for your sticker business and begin posting regularly. Share behind-the-scenes content, new design previews, and customer testimonials to build engagement. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. In addition to social media, consider using AI-driven advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to promote your stickers. These platforms allow you to target specific demographics and interests, ensuring your ads reach potential buyers. Start with a small budget and test different ad creatives to see what resonates best with your audience. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Use AI-powered email marketing services like MailChimp or Constant Contact to build an email list of interested customers. Send out regular newsletters featuring new designs, special offers, and exclusive discounts. Personalized email campaigns can significantly boost your sales and encourage repeat purchases. As orders start coming in, it's essential to maintain excellent customer service. Respond promptly to any inquiries or issues, and ensure orders are processed and shipped in a timely manner. Positive reviews and customer satisfaction can lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Finally, continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback to refine your strategy. Use analytics tools provided by your e-commerce platform and print-on-demand service to track your performance. Identify which designs are most popular, what marketing channels are driving the most traffic, and where you can improve. Adjust your approach based on these insights to maximize your sales and grow your business. Follow these detailed steps, focus on quality and customer satisfaction, and watch your online store thrive. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online with AI, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.